Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients like curry paste, your favorite vegetables, and a protein such as chicken or chickpeas. Next, chop all your vegetables into small, uniform pieces. This ensures they cook evenly. Finally, select a microwave-safe bowl with a lid to contain any splatters and ensure efficient cooking. Now, let's build some flavor. Begin by microwaving chopped onion and minced garlic in a little oil for about 2 minutes until softened. Then, stir in your curry paste with a small splash of water, microwaving for 1 minute to release its aromas. Finally, add your coconut milk and protein, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined before the next step. It's time for the vegetables. Start by adding harder vegetables, like carrots or potatoes, and microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, incorporate softer vegetables, such as bell peppers or spinach, and continue microwaving for another 2 to 3 minutes. Remember to stir the curry halfway through each cooking interval to ensure even heat distribution and perfect tenderness. Your microwave curry is almost ready. After the final cooking, let it rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the heat to distribute evenly. Garnish with fresh cilantro or a squeeze of lime juice for a bright finish. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your delicious, homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.